go today?
Home. No, I'm just kidding.
Hi. We're going to the
Skateboard Hall of Fame and Museum, as Siri said.
Yes. So we're on our way to Simi Valley. We live back there. We live back there in Moore Park. Okay. We'll see you in a minute. Have fun.
Bye.
Okay. We're here.
We're here, but we don't know where it is.
So we're gonna go find it. It's positively no skateboarding outside of the skateboarding area. Motorized skateboard. Oh, no. 16 miles an hour. Look at it. This place is amazing. Oh, vintage ones. We should go through it, see what's in there. Yeah, we should go see what's in there. Look at this place. Holy. That's rad. Oh, wow. This place is insane. This is like the place where you like pack up for the day. Have breakfast on your way. And then when you're done, you go through the shopping center and have lunch. And
He's metal.
wow. What?
Banzai.
Wow.
He's 40 though.
That's rad. And you got some new boards here. Look at these bikes. Bikes for days. Look at these. I was just telling him I had a bike kind of like this one. Kind of like a Marsha. Wow. There's so much to look at. I'm having a blast. Look at this. Holy mackerel. Oh, it's so rad. Tony. So this is all free to come check this out. And it's $15 to skate in here. Riley was just asking. $15 to do that. So he'll probably go get his board and do some. Look at this. Oh my god. This is fantastic. Wow. Look at it. They're all the way up there. And look at what we're under. New. New roller skate mobile. What? Are you kidding me? Look at these. Look at. Got Smokey Robinson down there. Look at these pictures. These are awesome. These are fantastic. Look at these. It reminds me of Back to the Future. These are fantastic. Look at it. And this looks like a razor scooter, right? Tell me it doesn't. That looks like a razor scooter. These are fantastic. And pretty much all of them feel like this. These are so great. Oh, look at it. He's going to get his board. All right. I'm just going to show you this. Look at this. Holy. to count that for a second. Holy. I used to have a whole collection of decks, old ones. I even had a gator one. And I was going to make shelves. I was going to make shelving out of all of it. And I just never got to it. And then I gave them all to my best friend Kyle. And I'm just blown away at this. Look at this. And then I'm like, oh my God. You come closer and you're just like, holy crap. Just like stop for 2 seconds and you're just all, yeah. Every single thing. Look at, they got like everything is like super cataloged. Here's all your Thrashers. Here's all your Trans World. Look at this. Look at all this. This is insane. You don't even know. This is so rad. Holy shit. I'm dying. I am absolutely dying here. This place is rad. I want to get out of the way. I'm right in front here. But look at Elmore. And look at Steve in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at. I'm gonna get a copyright strike. Look at all this. Look at this. You see what we're looking at? We got Lance Mountain. Look at that board up there. We got Lance Mountain. We got Gator. Elva. Oh my God. I can't even right now. I have to go pay money now. Look, ready? Just about had a heart attack. I gotta get him over here. Okay, you're like, oh, let's go back here. Holy shit. It's foam. I want this rug out in front of me. Holy. Oh. Is this POP? Yeah. Pacific Ocean Park. My mom told me that it was all the rage. POP was all the rage. Oh my God, that's horrific. Oh, that's terrible. That looks like the Golden Zephyr, doesn't it? Golden Zephyr. Have a real, I'm dinger of a time. I'm dinger of a flight? Time? I don't know. That means I need to go back to DCA. What is that there? Dude, this place just doesn't end. This place is amazing. Christian, how sweet. Look at all of this. Wow, holy macaroni. Look at him up there. Oh my God. Holy shit. He's at the 10-foot mark, I'll have you know. Look at him. Look at him. Holy shit. This place is great. Oh, I had this in my living room for the longest time. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I have to remind myself to close my mouth because my jaw is on the ground. Wow. Is that Jay Adams? Looks like it. Oh my God. This is just crazy. Wow. Oh my God, it's like my favorite picture of all time. Oh my God, look at all of them. Oh my God.
Have you seen him?
Have you?
No.
Look at what I found. Not as cop as what? That's so rad. Whoa, hold on. 99 bucks. Look at you. Riley's over there somewhere. Oh, there he is. Yeah, videos for days. P.O.P. Bend your knees.
Oh man.
Hey, there's no skateboarding here.
Try to capture me.
I'm security. Security.
No,
I'm security.
Hello. Watch out, watch out.
You watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, we're all done. We're leaving. This place is awesome. We donated also.
I want to see what that.
Yay, bye.
Look how majestic that is. It's like spray painted. That's awesome.
Everybody should come.
I feel like
It's free admission. Donate. Buy stuff.
well, actually, you have to pay to skate. It's 15 bucks.
No,
It's
but
not
you don't.
bad.
I don't like. Yeah, but I wouldn't have to pay money if I went in there.
Well, I don't.
That's so awesome. I just wanted to add real quick that this is very nostalgic. This is very fun for anyone, I think. And also there's places to sit down for older folks.